Hyderabad chapter of our IHM Entrepreneurship Cell, which we call Sahas. And this is a very ambitious project of the entire IHM group. And every campus is having its own entrepreneurship cell. And I'm so happy, privileged, honored, and delighted that today we are inaugurating and unveiling.
Sahas is a council for all the students of IIHM across all our campuses to enhance their entrepreneurship skills and making them as enterprises. It was always a dream of our chairman to do something extra for his students, and Sahas.
We are up here to make sure that in this pandemic and challenging times that we have got enough courage to come up with something valuable, something special, and something that will help our student in the not just for this year but for years and years to come. So Sahas is a huge commitment, and Sahas is much more than corpus fund. Sahas is showing them the way that jobs are not to be made only as an employee, but you can become a job creator. So in the new self-reliant India, I think what we have done at IHM is to make our student, is to create a band of students who are self-reliant. I think it's very important that encouraging entrepreneurship has been our tagline, encouraging entrepreneurship, and we have added one E in after courage in encourage the word. If you see our creative encouragement and encouraging, we have added courage inside the word encourage.
Let me congratulate IHM Hyderabad and IHM fraternity as a whole for creating something like this. Dr. Bose, he has given great insights that you as an organization are planning to have a corpus fund to help your students or alumni to set up and work on their dreams and to do what they feel is right. As he rightly, Dr. Bose rightly put across, saying that people might call you mad, but that is what drives you to become the best entrepreneur. You have to have the passion to drive your dream and achieve what you want.
Knowing that the cell, the entrepreneurship cell, is already starting with funds is like so exciting for me, because as a startup owner, I know finding funds is the biggest job after having an idea. So all the best to all the students who are listening to this wonderful news from Dr. Bose, and the vision that the entire leadership team has for you guys. It's amazing.
I must say, hats off to Dr. Bose. Such a noble thought. The Sahas actually, to me, comes from Dr. Bose. You must have the guts to dream. When you have the guts to dream, the dream turns into reality. So hats off to you, Dr. Bose. And I think just the whole fact of trying to put a program together requires conviction and guts. And I think I see somebody who's got such a high stature because of that. So, congratulations to IHM chapter. Would you like a toy train or would you like a roller coaster? Roller coaster is entrepreneurship. Toy train is a job. Big thanks goes to Dr. Bose for having the guts and conviction to put a program such as this.
Congratulations. Most importantly, you have some nerve to start a program like this during COVID-19. So hats off to you. And, I just don't have any words to express, but congratulations to IHM team for pulling this off.
It's, as Dr. Bose was saying, it's not about failing. It's about how fast you get up after failing. That's what the difference is. That's what matters. That's how you will succeed. And that's what life is all about. So I think this is a golden opportunity for all of you to try.
Very happy to see this initiative from IIHM. One thing is for sure, as I said, this is the greatest opportunity ever as a student you get, because outside once you step out, nobody's going to pat you like what IIHM is actually handling and trying to do this. So try out this, and there is a great ecosystem out there, and IIHM is trying to build mentors, series of mentors who can actually help you. So Dr. Bose and team is doing really great, and this Sahas program really excited me.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ernest Emmanuel, Director IIHM Hyderabad, for appointing me as an advisor to their entrepreneurship cell Sahas, and a lot of appreciation to team IIHM for this wonderful initiative to encourage students to become entrepreneurs. All that you need is a fire in your belly, the passion and the grit to do something big. There is an example among us. We have the inspiring Dr. Suborno Bose himself, who, being a chartered accountant, could create a huge brand of hospitality learning platform and contributed to the hospitality industry in a big way. And I'm sure under his mentorship, it will be a cakewalk for those who would like to step forward to this journey called entrepreneurship.